Okay.
My baby is too. Oh, she's terrified.
Terrified. She's trembling.
He's checking on Dolly, right?
Yes.
Apparently, a lot of the dogs are at the old shelter.
Because
They don't have room, they said. A lot of the old dogs, a lot of the dogs that were confiscated are at the old shelter.
Oh. And then they're trucking them.
and they're bringing them over.
Step on you one more time. So sorry.
This is Nicole. This is one of the dogs.
That's Nicole.
This is one of the dogs that was confiscated out of the 99 plus dogs that we are getting under 100 plus abandoned dogs of Everglades, Florida.
Dolly is another one.
We have been here for hours since we shut down our last video. Hi everybody. We've been here for hours. We have been walking up and down all of the kennels and sending in our rescue holds. A lot of the dogs already have rescue holds in place, which is a good thing, but we know there are so many in need, so we're sticking around to see who's needing assistance for saving. We've spoken to so many people that work here. They know we're here. Guys, we need your help desperately by donating. We're trying to help as much as we can here. This is Nicole. Again, she's one of the 99 plus that were confiscated from the horrific hoarding situation. While we were here, also, we have a $50 challenge from Pauline. We need donations, guys, please. We can't do this without your support. While we were here, this boy right here, Goldie, he was surrendered basically, and instead of letting him go through the intake of the shelter, he's about 5 or 6 years of age. His nails are completely overgrown. Instead of letting him be brought into the kill shelter, we decided that we were going to take him into our organization, and his name is Goldie. He needs a bath, and he needs an immediate home.
He's tiny.
He's not tiny. He hasn't made a peep, non-reactive, not a peep out of him.
Such a good boy.
He's such a good boy. He's like 5 or 6 years of age. So he needs a quiet, sweet, loving home. What? Oh.
Right here.
Awesome.
She's taking very well. Yeah, she's taking 6. Yep.
That's great. I spoke to, Pam took a lot. So again, this is Goldie.
She's a toxin rescue. So they took toxins and toxins.
All these dogs are so confused. Guys, we've been standing here for hours, and I can't even tell you, we are so sick to our stomachs between all the dogs, and you saw us walk through. There have been so many more dogs that have been added to the kennels in the shelter. I mean, a 16-year-old Chihuahua was just brought in. 16-year-old owner surrender 4 pounds was brought in. It's just very, very, the large dogs, the bully breeds, they're just being watch out. They're being walked out, watch it, taken out of their kennels for walks by the volunteers that are here at Miami Dade. Every kennel here is bursting. They're all full. We have no room for large dogs, as you know, because our rescue house 1 is completely full and we have no fosters in place. But we desperately need your support right now for donating to help us. I don't know how people give up. We're all sitting here. How do you give up a dog? How do you give up any dog, not to mention a 16-year-old dog that's 4 pounds? It's disgusting. This is Nicole with her little underbite. She's ridiculous. She's a baby. What is she, 1?
One.
A year of age. Yeah. All they want is love. That's all they want is love.
She's glued to me.
The lab was returned to owner, Jody. We already checked in on that, yes.
Which lab though?
The yellow lab.
The yellow lab.
Not the black one though, but still.
Yeah, no, the yellow lab was returned to owner. There's a black lab, I think, also that's still here. Shelly spent a lot of time with. But this is Nicole, who we are taking today, and this is Goldie, who we are also taking today. 2 dogs so far. We are trying to get more. We want to help out with at least a couple of more if we can. Like I said, all the dogs that we walked the kennels, we took their ID numbers. Each dog is given a name and an ID number, and we placed our holds, and everyone stated that it had a rescue hold or an adopter hold. No, we cannot take a 16-year-old dog, Barbara, without a committed foster. At 16, it's 4 pounds. Is anybody local that would want to? Morgana already, we tried to get Morgana. Morgana's safe. Morgana has several, I think 2 rescue holds and an adopter hold backup. So
A lot of the bad ones that we tried to take,
Right.
Doxy's here taking.
right, Dachshund Rescue is here taking some, and I know that another rescue, I'm not sure who, took some dogs also. But these are the 2 that we got today so far. This is little Nicole from the hoarding situation that was on the news, and also Goldie, who was basically dumped here, and we took Goldie as well. There was Dawn, a 12-year-old. You talking about the Basset? It was 13 years old. That one got rescued. Oh, sorry about that. So I'm just going to keep this going for now until I have to shut down again. But for all of you that are watching, there's 170 people that are watching. We're asking you, please make a donation, even if it's $5, to show your love and support to our rescue and our mission, so we can continue to
She
need.
can't get close enough.
She's so scared. She's not so good.
Nicole would do fantastic with a loving home foster, somebody that's patient. She's terrified, but very, very, very sweet. She just wants to be held and cuddled like a baby. I'm sorry. Her nails are so overgrown. She's so sharp. We're going to get those nails trimmed. Is she spayed? Can you look and see in her chart if it says spayed on the paperwork?
I'm gonna go with no, because she's got hair on her.
No. Another one coming in. It's another dog coming in right now. Puppy. I can't tell you how many dogs have been walking through this door. They're coming from the back after they're vetted, and they're brought out to the adoption floor and put in the cages. And they just keep adding and adding. I don't. Look at how sweet. How sweet. I love it. I love her. Me too. It's a good feeling.
Yes.
This is one of
I
the.
saw this face and I was like,
I know, me too. We gotta get her.
See, let me see the titties. I love the titties on this baby. Our hearts have been broken all day, and literally nauseous, sick to our stomachs, guys. Sick to our stomachs. Nothing about spay. What? Wait a minute. That's Hannah. Why does it say Hannah?
That's the wrong dog.
that's her.
Oh,
That's
okay.
Nicole. Okay, there you go.
Hannah was already adopted. We tried to get Hannah. We tried to get Hannah. Sorry, this is Nicole. We tried to get Hannah, but they said she was already adopted. A rescue home. Oh, we're so tired and we're so stressed out, guys. This is what it is to save a life. So cute, right? So sweet. It's a good girl. Yes, holding. Tiffany is holding Nicole. Here comes another one. Another puppy. I don't understand. Another puppy. All puppies. Yes, Morgana was already spoken for. She already had rescue holds. The heart? I don't know if it's ever going to stop in our lifetime, guys. I'm going to be honest with you. Goldie was a surrender while we were standing here, just surrendered, being surrendered at the shelter, and we stepped and intercepted. So Goldie would not be taken into the system and be put into a kennel.
She's stressed. Look at her.
Jojo had a rescue
Oh, yeah,
hold.
she doesn't know how to sit and
He-
just
he-
relax
yeah.
a little bit and to relax.
Yeah.
And he's had, God knows when he last had water or anything.
Goldie. Goldie. Hi, Goldie. Hi. Hi, Goldie. Hi, boo-boos. Hi. Hi, monkey. Oh, it's okay. It only gets worse.
Sweetie, relax a little bit and just rest. Those legs gotta be tired. God knows how many miles you put on them.
It's so sad, Shelley.
I know.
Very similar. Who was it that we had?
Yep, wish we could save them all, huh?
I wish we had more fosters.
Yeah.
It's not an easy task to come in here. This is Colleen's first time here with us. Hi.
A little tail.
Somebody's happy. Somebody's happy tails. Let me see, Nicole. This is the confiscation. One of the confiscated.
You're good. You're good. You're good.
You're gonna go into Wendy's old room and take the princess bed?
Oh boy.
Oh.
Princess Rose. Because you're a princess.
Oh my God. She's ridiculous.
It's okay. It's just a camera. Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
We always make a difference. Every life we touch, we make a difference.
I know. I know.
Mouth of the teeth, right?
Best.
Colleen, what's going on in your mind right now? How are you feeling? What's one word if you could describe how you feel?
Overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed.
Yeah, I did my crying earlier when I was seeing.
It's very
it all, but
overwhelming.
It's like now I'm happier that we're being able to see.
Well, how are you feeling, Tiff?
Drained.
Shelley?
No words from me, because all I do is cry. We can't save them all.
Exhausted, and they pulled my words already. So, but I'm thrilled that we got Nicole. I'm so happy we got Nicole.
And that,
Meant to be.
Bonus.
We
And
were
we
meant to
got
have.
exactly.
Yeah, absolutely.
Everything happens for a reason.
Absolutely.
we were at the right place at the right time.
Absolutely.
And as I stated, we've been here for over 3+ hours. We're waiting for Joelle, coordinator, to take us back and hopefully be able to see what's going on in the back. So we can see if there are any dogs. Nope, not a bonded pair. All the dogs that were placed in kennels together, there were 2. One of the 2 had rescue holds. So I honestly don't feel that any of these dogs that are confiscated, I think they find comfort with whoever's in their kennel. I don't feel that there is any kind of a bond. I'm just going on my opinion. I think they're just craving attention from human attention and love. As you can see, as little Nicole right here is loving the attention from Tiffany. None of the others were available, Jennifer. We placed literally, I don't even know how many, at least 20 rescue holds.
more, yeah.
While we've been standing here, so you send in an email to the coordinator with the ID number, and every single time we sent in an email, we were told, has rescue, has adopter, has 2 rescue holds. So we just basically, over 20. So right now we're standing here after 3+ hours. And we have 2 dogs under our organization. We're still waiting to be taken back to the back to see if there's any more dogs that we can assist with and help with. So how long did he say? Who said what? That one's already adopted. That's the one that's going to Dachshund Rescue. We sent a hold in on that one. Yeah, that one we sent a hold in that just was walked out. It's going to rescue right now. I believe Dachshund Rescue. Pam from Dachshund Rescue is taking. Thank you, Pam.
What did she say? Like 9 or 10? 10.
10 dogs they took.
Sorry.
No, you're fine. Here comes another dog, so just stay where you are, Michelle. Thank you, Deborah.
I was trying to look for Dolly and I didn't.
I didn't see Dolly in the, she's gotta be in the back, because I didn't even see her on, urgent.
What's taking so long? Deborah, you've been on this video, I don't know. We've been here for over 3 hours. We're pacing, we're rocking. Whoever wants to foster, send in an email immediately to 100plusabandoneddogs@gmail.com. Again, 100plus abandoneddogs@gmail.com. Send in a email with your information. We are exhausted. We are exhausted. We are nauseous. We're overwhelmed. We started out our morning, we got up at 6 to get ready to be at the rally all morning for the Broward shelter, and then we came straight here. We've been here ever since, and now we're going to hit rush hour, which is probably going to be a 2-hour transport drive back with the dogs in the car. As I stated, Shelly is holding Goldie. Goldie is a male. He is a Pomeranian mix, and he is probably about 5-6 years of age. Very, very, very sweet. He was being surrendered here to the kill shelter, and we intercepted to stop him from going into the system and being another number or a statistic. So he is coming with us. He is not neutered. He needs a dental. He needs a groom. We don't know anything about his blood work, so we need donations. This is Nicole. Nicole is one of the, it was all over the news. This is Nicole, who is part of the confiscation of the 99 plus dogs that were taken out of the one home in a garage covered in feces. As the manager here stated, probably one of the worst confiscation and animal neglect cases they had ever seen. And that is where little Nicole came from. Don't know how long she had been in that situation. Don't know if she was picked up recently. Don't know if she has been there since a puppy. But yes, that is Nicole with the adorable little underbite. Yes. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Nicole's, those titties, oh, she's delicious. She's a baby. She's just a baby. And the tail hasn't stopped. No, this is baby. We're gonna have you're gonna take the princess room. Hey, Wendy was a brindle. We're gonna keep the brindle theme going in that room. Yes, this is a kill shelter. Absolutely. I will say one thing for us as a rescue organization. They work very, very well with rescues. Don't you guys agree, this shelter?
Yes.
They definitely try their best with what they have going on here as a community. We get a blast from the Miami Dade Animal Services Kill Shelter every day, all night, of not only dogs, but the cats. Our email is saturated. I wish I could say the same for Broward Animal Care and Adoption, because I can't remember the last time I received an email blast of animals that are in need of saving, and that's the problem, guys. The shelter director and management have to be proactive. They need to be aggressive. They need to work with the rescue community. As you can see, since we've been here, we saw 2 rescues that we know of that came in. One came and took 10 dogs, and that other guy took the pity, right, with the nipples from Bell's Promise. So, you know, it's
volunteers that take pictures here.
That's
all the time,
right.
too. They take pictures and they push them through Facebook.
And one thing I will definitely say is I love seeing all the volunteers that are in and out all day that we're here, taking out the bully breeds, getting them out for walks out of their kennels. That one's going. That's the one we wanted. Good job. Yay. Awesome. You're Hector, right? And this man, Hector, is the bomb right here. Say hey, Hector. Hector works here at the Miami Dade Shelter. We were talking to him a while ago, and he loves his job and he loves the animals. He said he could get a job anywhere and get a better pay, but he's not leaving the animals in need. So it's so nice to see these people that are here, that care with a heart, and that work so tirelessly around the clock to get these babies safe. Nicole needs a home or a foster, somebody that's around and patient. I think she would love another dog, small dog.
Really great.
Love her, right? She's delicious.
She's so pressed into me,
Yeah.
like Velcro.
And she's
Velcro.
touched, she'll look at her pants and she doesn't realize that
Yeah.
she's safe now. You know?
This one needs water.
They both need water. I'd love to be able to get some water.
God knows what's
See if they have any cups. I know there's a water bubbler around somewhere. Do you have any paper cup or anything we can get some water? Agua? Around the corner? For the dogs.
Perritos, no. ¿Eh? Por los perros.
Ah, para los perros.
Sí.
Afuera.
¿Para los gatos?
¿Afuera?
¿Qué usted dice?
Oh, what's that? Cat.
¿Qué ustedes quieren? ¿Agua para los perros o agua para ustedes?
No español for me. Sorry, only English. Agua for the dog.
Para el perro es afuera.
Around outside? Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
No, es que nosotros es para la gata, para dejarla que lo pegue.
Tiene que ir allá, mira, ustedes salen y al final el edificio que...
Ay, to the
ahí
bay.
mismo en este edificio, pero por el pasillo hasta el final. Ok,
Gracias.
I don't know. Surrendering a cat. I can't. In a towel, wrapped in a towel. Surrendering a cat wrapped in a towel. I can't take it.
Throw it on the shelf like brown.
Yeah, right.
It's a can.
All day long, every day, all day, every second of the day, there's nothing but owner surrenders at the shelter. It's nonstop. It's just nonstop. I don't understand. And until we fix the community and educate, nothing's going to change here. Nothing. The shelters are overwhelmed. The rescues are full and drained and just exhausted. The donations are not coming in enough for us to rescue like we want to. Hector, can we get some water?
He's working
Oh,
on it right now.
awesome.
He's trying to help.
Thank you. Anything.
We appreciate it. There's a fountain outside.
I know, we need a
Doggy
bowl.
fountain. Like
We didn't think we'd be here for 4 hours.
Yeah, exactly.
Thought we'd get them and get out, but it's not the case. So, still waiting. Can't answer right now. Anybody that's trying to call me, I can't answer the phone right now. If you want to reach me, wait until after I shut down live. And also send an email to 100plus PLUS abandoneddogs@gmail.com.
I promise. It's okay.
I've stated it a million times before on our videos. We have no place for cats. If anybody is, no, we haven't eaten anything. Are you kidding? We can't even finish a cup of coffee that we stopped and got hours ago. No, we have not eaten a thing. We're running on adrenaline right now. What was I saying? I forget. Huh? Huh?
Cats.
Oh, thank you, Tiffany. We always said we want to rescue cats, but we need fosters. If we have fosters in place for a cat, we will pull a cat all day long. But nobody ever steps up to help us with a cat, and it's very disheartening because we love cats. We love all animals. Yes, Goldie was basically being dumped here.
Hector to the rescue.
Hector's the bomb, man. Hector,
already assigned here.
oh, you are so
Put it
awesome.
somewhere out of the way in case they do make a mess.
Okay. You want to try for her first and see? Nicole, you want some waters?
Let me get some water. I know you're so
Come on, baby. It's okay.
Have some water.
You can have some.
Here. No. Here.
She'll take, give us.
Nice water. Look, water.
Thank you again, Hector.
Here.
Let's try Goldie. Come on, Goldie. You want some water, buddy?
sweetness.
Good boy. Come on. Drink. Good boy. I feel so much better.
So thirsty. We don't know when the last time he
No, I don't know when the last time he ate or drank. I don't know anything. Here, take the dog. We don't want him.
And by the way, he peed. He didn't pee much, and it was very yellow. So he might be very deep.
Well, he's drinking. That's a great
Yeah,
sign.
it's wonderful.
Nicole, you ready now? She's like, I don't know. That looks good.
See, we can hold it for you. We can hold it up.
This is Goldie. We intercepted, owner surrender, being dumped, not neutered, 5 to 6 years of age.
Really thirsty.
Really thirsty, yeah. Making me thirsty. I'm getting ready to dive into that bowl in about 2 seconds right
We all
now.
are.
I'm going to swallow my tongue. Oh. Guys, donations are needed urgently from all of you to make a small donation.
My God,
Please.
look at
I know.
this. Wow. He hasn't
Here
probably
comes the big
anything
dog,
done.
so you're going to have to move out of the way. Hold on. Hold on, we're moving. Just pick him up.
It's all right, baby. You'll get more.
Good boy. You want some water?
Get some burn inside.
You're going to
He
get...
wants to drink pee right now.
Oh.
Sniffing pee.
No peepees. I don't understand it, Pauline. Hi. Hi, Goldie. Hi, sweetness. So scared. So scared.
Okay, baby girl. It's okay. Oh, Daddy.
You get kisses yet?
Yes.
You're getting kisses.
Nice.
This is Nicole. She will be taking over Wendy's room at Rescue House 2.
Sweetheart.
Goldie's going to be going into our bathroom suite. I think Nicole's very young. Excuse me, about a year of age from the confiscation case that was on the news of the 99 plus. Christine, look.
Are there any new animals that have come in? Later this afternoon, I was wondering if I could swing through. Oh, who's that? That's Brian at Edison's. Oh.
What's the matter?
He wants
Brian for
Brian.
Edison.
Yeah.
Edison.
What does he say?
He said he says he wants to see if there's a match, for foster.
Brian.
Great.
Yeah, so he was just asking me who would come in. So we'll have to update.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Maybe you can foster him, little old man.
Yeah.
Because they're both so chill.
Yeah,
I think
that's
that
true.
other one would be great for him, the black one, if we could take that one.
Yeah, but we don't know if they'll get along.
Yeah.
We can't take it because we have no room. You don't know with dogs, unfortunately, with large dogs. We have no room. We just don't. It has to be a fit or we're screwed. We have no room. That's another one going out.
Ya, eso es todo. Aumenté. Ya, ya me oyeron.
What? What's the matter? You looking at the Gmail? Yeah, we have to go. Is there anybody that wants us to, is there any other dog that needs our assistance, or should we take off? Because we can't stick around. We have a long drive ahead of us. So if they want us to help and save more lives,
It was Dolly, she said, was going to be.
No, you
It was
guys.
Dolly.
well, we wanted to go in the back. No, you got to pick the dog up. You can't just let,
Here?
Yes, Christine, a lot of puppies came in. They're on the adoption floor. We must have seen 3 or 4. Not big, not little ones. Bigger pups, older pups. Well, we can leave and get them comfortable, Chris, but that means that we can't save any more lives. So we're sticking around and we're waiting to see if there are any more in need that we can save while we're here. That's what we're doing here. And if we had fosters, we'd be able to save more. There were a lot of young Beagle mix, Basset mixes, Dachshund mixes. That went to rescue. There's more coming in continuously, so it's very overwhelming. So many dogs, so many dogs.
What? Here.
Just afraid to even stand up.
Here.
Watch out. Pauline, come over here, honey. Watch it. Watch it. Oh. Thank you.
Here. Want some waters? You want some waters?
Hey, Nana. Hi. Hi, Nicole. We're going to call you Nikki. Nikki. Nikki.
Here, have some waters.
She's tiny.
Get some waters. Do you want some waters?
Get some water, Mom. Look. Play in the water. Look. Nama. Nana. It's okay. I know. She's terrified. Terrified.
You're okay. I got you. You're good. You're safe now. Yeah. Oh, do. Thank you.
Mary Ann, can you take some more owner surrenders? Where are we supposed to take some more? That's another one going out. Happy life, babies. Another one going to rescue. Those are all from the confiscation case. We have no room, guys. We have literally one room available at the rescue house and our bathroom. So we are trying to make do. We have no fosters stepping up as of right now. And without fosters in place and without space, we are stuck. And another one, happy life. We're stuck. Someone's tired. He wants to take a nap. Are donations coming in? Tiffany, can you check the Gmail? No? They're not?
Since
Wow.
3:53,
4 donations. 5 donations came in since 3:53, and we have 220 people on this video. How sad. All right, guys, well, our work is done. We cannot continue to save without your support. As we've stated before, our hands are tied. We have a lot of responsibilities with 2 rescue houses running, and without the donations, unfortunately, that's about it right now. So with 4 donations that came in with over 200 people watching this video, not even if everybody could make a donation for $1, $2, $5, then unfortunately we're about done here. There will be unfortunately no more saving for us today. It's very disheartening that we cannot get the support of the community to allow us to continue our mission. Like I stated, Our vet bills are through the roof, over $7,000 we owe at one animal hospital, and all the dogs we currently have, not to mention the 2 rescue houses that we are paying for ongoing to keep them up and running. We're low on wet food, we're low on all kinds of things that are needed to keep the rescue houses going. And we can't. I'm sorry. The donation link is on this video. It's on every one of our videos, and it's on our page. So with over 200 people watching this video and seeing what we are going through on a daily basis, killing ourselves, sick to our stomachs, trying so desperately to make a difference, and saving lives responsibly, getting them the best care, the best medical care. And if we can't get the support from the community, then we are forced to say enough and we're done. We're done, and just focus on the dogs that we have. Again, it takes a village, it takes a team effort, and we just cannot continue. Cannot. We can see through our Gmail when a donation comes in. We can see the donations that come in through our Gmail through PayPal. And as of right now, as I stated, there were 5 donations that came in. So. All right, guys, we're going to sign off now. We're going to focus on the dogs and get out of here, since, you know, this is what we've got in front of us, and we need to get them vetted and cared for, and that's where we're going to focus. If you can donate, then we can continue to save more lives in need. But other than that, we're about done. So this is Amy with our Team 100 Plus Abandoned Dogs of Everglades, Florida. I'm here with Tiffany, Colleen, and Shelly. We're going to be shutting down.